was a lemon cake at my birthday party yesterday. There was some lemon juice and there was some blue cheese at my party. There were a lot of fried potatoes with ketchup, and there were many chocolate eggs with strawberry biscuits. There was a birthday cake. There was some pepper. There was some butter. There was some olive oil. There was some cheese. There was some bread. There was some lemon juice. There were many tomatoes. There were many biscuits. There were many chocolate eggs. There were many fried potatoes. There was a cake at the party last week. There was some juice in the cup 2 days ago. There was a lot of bread on the table last month. There were 3 eggs in the box 1 minute ago. There were a lot of tomatoes on the plate yesterday.